Oh, hey guys, did you want a video for Product Focus Friday that I missed? I think you did. I'm going to be playing with this Fancy Pants collection, Bloom and Grow, because the colors kind of scream fall without like super screaming fall, if that makes any sense. Because these look like, they almost like little apples, like I don't know. Like I really like the colors and patterns on here. This one kind of screams fall to me too. And I have these 3 photos of my son posing with his pumpkin at this pumpkin patch, because we're using this fantastic sketch created by Angela Velazquez for day 28 of 30 Days of Sketches, which is what I was supposed to have done. And I think to me it looks like it's all put kitty wampus on a big piece of cardstock. So I was thinking about just doing it on the white cardstock and then doing this pattern. I don't know, maybe that's too light. I could do this pattern too. This pattern, and then having like the orange, where is it? This orange red poke behind it as that layer, and then a little bit of the red cardstock as well. Thoughts? I also like this yellow, so I might have the yellow pop behind there. That way I have all those colors. And so I've got these 3 photos of him posing with pumpkin. I'm going to tuck in this ColorCast Designs October and acrylic pumpkin to get that used up. I just got that. That's going to be the first time ever that I just use something right away. And we are supposed to use Puffy stickers today. And look what's in this kit. Some Puffy stickers. So we're going to use some of these Puffy stickers. Yeah, so let me get photos trimmed down, papers trimmed down, and see what I can do. There's also, it looks like, kind of like some banners up here. We'll do a little bit of that, nothing too crazy. I don't really know where the title is. I think just above the photos. Yeah, we'll figure something out. All right, so the layout actually, I don't think was supposed to have the white. It was just how it was taken, but I really like that. So I'm embracing maybe the distorted photo and making it part of the layout. I realize that now, that is probably what it is. So we're gonna glue down this kind of square, and I'm gonna do it wonkily on here. Kind of like what it looks like in the sketch. And I've layered a chunk of yellow and a chunk of that like orangey red on my photo. I love the way that looks. These photos are really good actually. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna glue this down. Oh, I need some glue. ATG. So we'll glue that down. I cut a few banners. Which, now that I've done that, I'm trying to decide, do I want them to go all the way up? I kind of do. I want them to go all the way up to the white. Lay this down. Ooh, that's fun. I like that. I have no idea if that's straight. You know what? At this point, it doesn't really matter because everything else on the page is crooked. So, no one. Okay, all the papers are out of the way. Now we can play with the puffy stickers. And I think we'll put the October. Let's put October down there. Kind of like the pumpkin up there. That was my thought. Let's see what I have for this stuff. I don't know if I'm going to use these puffies. I might break into just the green and yellow puffy hearts. Ooh, I have more leaves. We can use some more of those. These are also ColorCast Design. Yeah, I think we might just use these green and yellowy green puffy hearts as our puffy stickers. I think we need some labels or something. Let me see what I can conjure up. All right, I have found things. So I've grabbed some labels, some punch outs from some Ellie Studio kit. Actually, I think it was like an April kit, so it's kind of crazy that it's kind of working. This is a very unique green orange or green yellow color. Very hard to match. But we're doing our best. So I decided to grab, these are Mrs. Brimbles. They were designed with Dottie About Flair. But I'm going to bring in a strip of this just to put down for this October to sit on. Just to bring some of that orangey color down here. And then I'm gonna put this little camera down. I think I'm gonna put today was a good day. Okay, and then we can add a puffy heart. And then I think we're going to rip another chunk. I just want it to look torn and not perfect. So I like this. This orange color is like a kind of an off orange, but it works. I really like this label, so I'm gonna tuck this label in. I think we're gonna keep this pumpkin here. We'll do here and now. Capture and document. So this October has a film on the back of it. Where's my little, I use my scraper. It's supposed to help take things off like your silhouette or Cricut mat. Because this is clear. Now I could have left it on there if I wanted frosted. But I kind of want it to kind of blend in. I don't want it to stand out super ton. There we go. And then it'll just be October. And then you can see everything through it too. Oh, I love that. Okay. Layer up some labels over here. And then I honestly think I'm just gonna do pumpkin picking. Happy pumpkin picking. It's kind of yellowy color. Okay, so I have three. I only have three left, which is awesome. And I could add more of these. I'm not going to though. I like. Let's tuck in some leaves because they're cute, right? Why not? Oh, do some of these have the backing on them still? I added some of those leaves. Oh yeah, I was gonna add the date with my pen, which is where I don't know. There you go. My fancy pants and my puffy stickers, and this was the last one for this Product Focus Friday. November is a whole new product, whole new focus for collections and whatnot, so we will get to that. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out all the people who played along with 30 Days of Sketches, especially the people who played along in the appropriate amount of time, not like me who was playing along late. I did not do all the 30 Days of Sketches this month, but you will see me do more of them throughout November. I will continue until they're all done. So do not fret. I will tackle them all. If you were worried, I don't think any of you were worried, but if you were, don't worry. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, and have a great day.